So we're here at the pink hive, and with this custom hive, there's some extra gaps and crevices that wouldn't normally be there, but the bees go ahead and take it upon themselves to seal up those little crevices. You can see that kind of ooey gooey substance in the corners here. That's called propolis. So they're taking it upon themselves to seal those gaps so that intruders, extra bugs and insects that shouldn't be in their hive cannot make their way in. They want one entrance only for them and them only.